I think my plant is here. Oh my goodness, that's really it. Let's go get it. Look at that. It's huge. So for you to have a clue how tall this is, as you can see, this is actually as tall as me. And this is actually a gift from my husband. But I was the one who saw the app. And then when I asked him, babe, can you buy it for me? He was like, sure. And then he bought it right away. Only 3 days after buying it online, it is already here at home. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to unbox this one. So let's get started. Let's unbox this. You want to help, Mama?
Yes.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yes. Stand up, down, up.
Bravissima! Oh my goodness! Look at that! Wow! You can see that?
Yes.
Look at that! This is actually packed really nice. Like, you want to enter? Go. Careful. Look at this one. Oh my goodness. So this is called Nicolai. I'm not sure. So this is not exactly like a banana tree, but they kind of like have similar leaves, as you can see. I guess they have the same family. So when I first saw this in the internet, in the website, I was like, oh my goodness, I have to have that at home because it exactly looked like a banana tree, but it turned out that it's not a banana tree, but it's fine actually. I'm already happy with this. So for now, I already have 20 indoor plants at home. New collection added. So I also turned out into a plant mama, but in the Philippines they call them plantita. But I feel like plantita is nakakatanda, I guess. For me, personally. So plant mama for me is good enough. I'm so happy. Thank you, babe, for my new plant. So I have this thing. I have this thing. This is called Lucidante Foliare. So this is a foliar polish for the leaves of your plants. This is used for cleansing and for polishing the leaves of the plants. So we are gonna use this today for my new plant. So I have to go out to do this thing. So as you can see, it's actually nicely polished, but you know, I like being extra, so I'm gonna do it anyway. Ta-da! Look how it instantly turned out to be this elegant plant. So nice. I really love this polisher. So for now, since I still don't have a new planter, I'm just gonna put it right here. This is actually cute. Look at that. It says there, home. We have this for quite some time now already, and this is the only one available for now. It looks like this now. I really have to buy a new planter soon. So this is actually not the first plant that I bought from the internet. Last year I already bought 3 and they are still looking really nice, and I'm gonna let you see them. So they actually come in 3. This is the first one, and then this is the second one, a snake plant, and then this is the third one, the monstera. So you might see it like it's dying but it's actually not. Because you have to see this during the first week. It was all yellow. The leaves were all yellow because I didn't know that it is not good to put this in an area where there is direct sunlight. So my husband searched for some tips on how to cure this one, and then from then he is already the one taking care of this only for this plant. This is actually a good sign already because like literally this was all yellow and I was like, oh my goodness, that's gonna die. I'm really glad that it's recovering now. All because of my husband. So this is actually a mix of plants. These are 4 plants. Oh my goodness. This is the Monstera. It's not looking really good. Then we have this one. This one, wow, so nice. This is looking good. This is not damaged. And then this one. This is also looking good, really good. Wow, this one is so pretty. And then the last one, we have a snake plant. I actually have a snake plant already at home, but I just like having another one. So these are all the real plants, by the way. And that's it for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, kindly give this a thumbs up. If you have some thoughts, comments, or anything, feel free to leave that in the comment section down below. And please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet already. Once again, thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next one. Buyers! Boom!